Getting up for the photo shoot now.
My bad. Did you hear about the blind prostitute? No, you really gotta hand it to her.
Oh, wow.
Okay, wait.
Are you paying for this video?
Okay, we're done with the photo shoot, Castle.
Wrapping up for the day, the photo shoot went well. It was 470 pictures or something. It's a lot of pictures, but
yeah.
We're gonna have out of that 470, I would say probably 30, possibly 40 good usable ones.
So how?
There's no diagram.
How many days until you're revived?
Probably 3 or 4. I'll be back to whatever passes for normal for me.
I'm excited.
Oh, we yelling so much.
Yeah. Right now, it's breakfast.
Breakfast time.
This was a gentleman responsible for everything.
Everybody?
Thanks,
Thank
Michael
you.
Murphy.
It makes it kind of easier when you're working with someone who knows what the heck they're doing.
Oh yeah.
It is helpful.
Makes my life.
I was complimenting you. I was saying the same thing. I've worked with photographers who couldn't find their ass with both hands and a bell on it.
I have a hard time to have a wet paper bag, but other than that.
Let's go get breakfast, guys.
Let's go.